Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing an item that I purchased from Louis Vuitton. For the upcoming autumnal season, I wanted to purchase an item that I knew I would enjoy and that I could use. And I'm not sure that we will experience any snow here in West Texas, but I definitely wanted to pick something that I could wear and I would enjoy wearing with a lot of my outfits and with a lot of my bags. As you may or may not know, my entire collection is Louis Vuitton, so I definitely wanted to get something to accompany that. So let me introduce you to the Laureate Platform Desert Boot. It retails for $1,330. It is a beautiful boot that has wraparound laces, a platform construction, and threaded rubber outsole. The Laureate Desert Boot is one of the most recognizable styles. It's crafted with soft suede calf leather trim and iconic monogram canvas. This item does have a select few sizes available online, and I bought mine in a size 37. They are black in color and they are made in Italy. And just for clarification, the heel is a 2-inch platform, meaning it is 5 centimeters in height. And so I had to size up in these as I went in store and wanted to try on the 36.5, and they did not have it available. I tried on the 36 and it was fairly tight. And I tried on the 37, which I felt would work best with me as far as the socks that I wear. And so yeah, this is such a beautiful boot in person, and I cannot wait to style it. I'm really excited to use this product and to show you all the various ways that I plan on wearing them. So catch me on Wednesday. I'll be uploading a video with all the outfits that I want to wear with these boots. And I am so excited to share that video with you all. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.